In this video, we'll be discussing about the rolling process, how the rolling process works, and what are the types of rolling process. There are two types of rolling process, which are hot rolling process and cold rolling process. In a rolling process, it is necessary to have a metal plate, an upper roller, and a lower roller. The rollers move in a opposite direction to each other. One moves in the clockwise direction while the other moves in a counterclockwise direction. The upper roller can be adjusted according to the size of the metal plate. It can be moved up or down according to the metal plate. Starting with the rolling process, the rollers will start rotating and the metal plate will slowly go between the two rollers. There, the metal plate thickness decreases while its length increases. Moving on, now we are going to talk about the differences of cold working rolling process and hot working rolling process. Cold working rolling process is done at a temperature below the recrystallization temperature, while hot working rolling process is done at temperature above recrystallization temperature. High possibilities of crack formation and propagation in the cold working rolling process, while cracks and blowholes are welded up in the hot working rolling process. In the cold working rolling process, internal and residual stresses are developed in the metal, while they are not in the metal of hot working rolling process. Refinement of crystals does not occur in the cold working rolling process, but there are refinement of crystal in the hot working rolling process. No appreciable recovery can take place during deformation in cold working process, while process of deformation and recovery is simultaneous in the hot working process. Uniformity of material is lost and its properties are affected in the cold working process, while in the hot working rolling process, uniformity of material is maintained and properties are preserved. Hardening is not eliminated due to process that is carried out below recrystallization temperature in the cold working rolling process, while hardening due to plastic deformation is completely eliminated in the hot working rolling process. Lastly, in the cold working rolling process, elongation area and impact value is decreased while tensile stress is increased. And in hot working rolling process, elongation area and impact value is increased while the ultimate tensile strength remains unaffected.